Hello friends, my name is Marilyn and I am very excited to share with you guys this salad. This salad is very simple to make, it has few ingredients and I call it my superhero salad because it literally gives me the boost of energy that I need. It helps with my gut health and it gives me like a boost of energy. So it's really good for you and I think it's a very great base salad recipe that you can have that has few ingredients and it only takes 5 minutes to make. So no excuses, you can make it happen. And in this video, I'm not only going to show you the recipe, but I'm also going to tell you about the powers of each of the ingredients so that you can get motivated to make this salad as soon as possible so that you can start feeling the effects of having these nutrients in your body. I hope you try it. Let me know how you like it. Let me know what you swap, if you swap the ingredients, and enjoy the recipe. Here it comes.
I'm gonna kick off this salad with our Leaf the Green champion spinach. I love spinach because it's packed with iron, vitamin A, vitamin C, and it really gives a boost to your immune system. And it's just great for energy too. So I chop it down really small with scissors because that way my kids enjoy it best. Chopping it makes it easier for the spinach to blend in with the rest of the veggies. Now we're gonna add a splash of crunch with cucumber. Cucumber is awesome because it hydrates you and gives you antioxidants. I love that when you eat cucumbers, just like when you have cucumber maybe on top of your face, you feel like your skin glows. The same effect happens when you eat cucumbers. They are hydrating and they're very low calorie. I chopped them small so again they can blend in with the rest of the flavors of the salad. Next up is celery. This green vegetable is more than just a crunchy snack. It's packed with fiber and vitamins that help us with our digestion, and it also supports a healthy heart. And it's practically negative calorie food, so you can crunch away without the guilt. It is great to know that by eating these simple vegetables, I am adding so much nutritional value to my body and also fiber, which is so good for our digestion. So eating all of this salad really makes you feel so much better, and your digestion, especially if you are trying to boost the way your body digests or you're trying to provide more health to your gut health, definitely add salads. Salads have been in my life for a long time, on and off sometimes, but the more consistent that I am, the more that I feel the benefit. Now our next superhero for this salad is tomatoes. Tomatoes are juicy and they have lycopene. I might be saying this wrong, so I'm going to add the word here, but it's a very powerful antioxidant that helps our body fight against disease. It also provides vitamins and minerals, and it's great for our skin as well. So definitely adding tomato makes a big difference in our health. So don't skip the tomato, eat it. And remember, this is your salad, so you can swap any of these vegetables for your favorite ones. And now my personal favorite, avocados. They just make this salad so much yummier. I love their creamy texture and they're great for your health. They provide healthy fats and potassium and actually help you lower bad cholesterol and support your cardiovascular health. And also make everything taste like a fiesta. You just can chill and enjoy it and pretend you are somewhere in Mexico. As a dressing, I keep it very simple. I simply add a lime, one or two depending on how you like the taste, and sea salt. That's all. That's all it goes into the salad. You mix it all up very well, all the ingredients that you have in the bowl, and you enjoy it. That's it. To keep this salad as simple as possible with just a few ingredients for the dressing is what makes this salad healthier. Many of the dressings options contain just so many ingredients that takes away from the nature of the salad and the power of the nutrients that you can get from it. So if you can, try to keep it simple too and just do lime and salt. You can add a little bit of olive oil if you like, but keep it as simple as possible. And it's really, really delicious. Now, last but not least, I'm gonna add some sunflower seeds. These tiny seeds are really good for healthy fats, protein, and vitamin E. They promote healthy skin, boost your energy, and it's just like the perfect finishing touch for your superhero salad. It's time to enjoy this delicious salad, and this amount of salad that I made will make 4 servings. So get eating and crunching.
I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos that will boost your energy, your health, and your mood. Thank you so much. See you next time.